Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got another product review. This is from LA Police Gear. This is called the Atlas 72-hour tactical backpack, and I gotta tell you, for the price, it's really a good backpack. I'm really excited to show you guys this for $69.99. $69.99. This thing comes in 7 colors. So to me, that's kind of big. Now, a lot of my gear is, I don't want to say tactical, but I have a lot of tans, a lot of greens. Black seems to be the more urban color, so I went with a black. But again, there's like, you know, there's a couple different greens, couple different tans. There's even a gray. So really nice. And like I said, for $69.99 from the actual website, it's $10 cheaper than if you purchase it from Amazon. Let me talk a little bit about the features, and then we'll get into the bag itself. Just like all LAPG products, these backpacks are tremendous value, but don't sacrifice on quality or materials. They up the ante with even more at the LA Police Gear Atlas backpacks, as they are made from ultra tough 900D polyester with a PVC coating, so as not to scream tactical so much, even when utilized with the laser cut MOLLE on the areas of the pack. The laser cut MOLLE on this pack is freaking awesome. We have added a new feature to the straps of the LA Police Gear Atlas line that allows you to buckle in our LAPG tactical chest pack attachments directly to the backpack. So there is an add-on product. It doesn't come with this. I'll talk a little bit about that. The chest pack is a versatile carrying system that basically gives the storage of another backpack, great for CCW small items or anything you could think of. We spent a long time on a drawing board with this on the trail with the LA Police Gear Atlas backpacks, and it shows. You won't be disappointed. So let me just go over the technical features. Like I said, 900D polyester with PVC coating, laser cut MOLLE, quick open access, open top front pockets. Shoulder strap system integrates with a separate tactical chest pack attachment that goes in the front. Hydration compatible with ports on both sides. Fleece lined eyeglass and accessory compartment. I'll show you that. Loop lined interior for LAPG pockets or other hook and loop backed items. Ergonomic and breathable pocket padded back. Removable backplate. Overall dimensions: 24 inches high, 19 inches wide, and 10 inches deep. You're looking at 4,560 cubic inches. So that's pretty big. 4,000 cubic, and like I said, this is a pocketosaurus. All right, there is so many pockets on thing. If you like this, if you like pockets, you'll like this. The weight on this backpack is about 6 pounds. It got here 5.7 pounds. That might be an issue for some people that have to pack out a lot of weight, but again, it's a great pack for basically 70 bucks. I'm gonna pull the camera back and we'll get into this pack. Alright guys, so this pack is pretty big, it's pretty robust, so I have to walk around all these features one at a time. Like I said, if you like organization, this is definitely the pack for you. I've been running this as an everyday pack for a couple weeks now, and it really hasn't failed me. It has more than enough space. The only problem with that is you might be tempted to put a lot of stuff in there. Try not to if you can. Like I said, outside in the front you have all this laser cut stuff. You have some hook Velcro here, and the Velcro is even cut. Also on the top you have the same thing. So you have laser cut, and you have a little, so if you want to put a name tape there, maybe some moto patches. On the front here, you have a small pocket. This is kind of a hider pocket down here. So if you want to put like a flashlight or some extra batteries, you could. On the front pouch, again, this is a lot of space. All right, inside here, I just got some, I got my shema, I got my hat in there. I also got my medical kit in there. I also got the Heroes Welcome, founded in 2001 by Los Angeles police officers on a mission to bring awesome deals law enforcement officers and now to people of all occupations. LA Police Gear strives to effectively provide customers with exceptional prices while maintaining fast and friendly knowledgeable service. So that's the tag that was on it. All right, and that's the SKU number. Hopefully you can see that. All right, I'll just leave that in there. So on this front pocket, you have multiple pockets down here. This is probably more like your admin, which also comes with some Velcro. You have another pocket in here. You have a key fob on this side. You have a key fob on this side. You have a pocket inside here. You have another mesh pocket inside here. Here, you have a mesh pocket, which I have my medical tape in there. It probably fell out. You also have two more pockets. This is probably going to be for magazines. If you want to do a tactical loadout, this is a good place. I put my baby wipes in there. Those are my tactical baby wipes, just in case. Nothing inside that pocket. So this is just the front part of it. Has a lot of space. Now what's cool about this is it also doubles as a gear catch. All right, and what that means is if you had extra clothing, if you had a helmet, let's say you wanted to use this as an operator's bag, you would probably put your helmet inside here and then cinch it up. And it comes with 4 cinch straps. You throw it in here. It has a little bit of mesh to keep it attached to the pack. You cannot take it off, but it's there, it's available, and it does have these clips right here. So if you wanted to take it out a little bit further, you could. All right, so a lot of adjustments on just a front pouch. All right, that pouch is pretty cool. I've seen them on a lot of different pouches. A lot of different packs before, but that's available. All right, on the top, more stuff. Okay, so I have flashlight, batteries, pens, that kind of thing. Small pouch here, small pouch there. All right, let me put that stuff back so I don't forget it. All right, some pens, papers, admin stuff. Okay, this is just the front, guys. I'm not done. All right, so now on the side, okay, on the side, laser cut MOLLE all the way down. All right, this is typically where if you wanted to keep water bottles or fuel canisters on the side, you could. You have a pocket in here, a pocket in here, and then that long pocket. More than likely, probably a water bladder if you wanted to, but you could also put one inside, and again, laser cut. On the other side, the opposite side, same exact pocket, so you have more space. All right, same cuts with the pocket, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you have this long pocket again with laser cut MOLLE on the side. And it just zips all the way around. All right. Now on the bottom of the pack, all right, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are latching points. If you wanted to put some type of bedroll or a sleeping bag or sleeping mat, you could actually do that with this, no problem. On top of the pack, you have 1, 2 holes. These are for your, if you're going to run an antenna, like if you had a radio in there, or if you needed a water bladder, you can actually use that as well. If you go on top of the pack again, you can see here, this is what they were talking about with that felt line pocket. All right, this is felt line. So this would be like your sunglass case on most other applications. Okay. Nice drag handle. All right, double, triple stitched, sufficient. On the back, all right, again, MOLLE all the way down. Okay, you have a sternum strap here, and you'll notice these 2 clips up here. Okay, these 2 clips up here was for that chest harness system. So what you can do is, this is your rear rucksack, and then on the front you would clip this in, clip it in, and you could wear a chest harness, or I think it's more of a chest carrier. I'll show you, I'll put the link down below if you're interested in that kind of thing. It works well as a system. It's kind of cool. I don't know, I definitely probably wouldn't wear it, but if you wanted to, you could add more weight to the front and it would balance out depending on how much gear you intend to carry. All right, so the adjustments on the side, all right, these are just regular Fastex buckles. Okay, Fastex buckles, one side, the other side. All right, if I wanted to take these off, I just flip these out of the way. All right, very comfortable, convenient. Like I said, you have chest I'm sorry, the rear is very comfortable. You have a lot of padding. On the back of it, I actually put these in here. There's a hideaway pocket if you want to get rid of or hide the waist strap. Okay, so I have one on this side and I have one on this side. Okay, so the waist strap, you can put it away if you're not using it. This is, I think, 1.5 inches waist strap. It is adjustable. There's a little bit of MOLLE on the sides. All right, not too much, but just enough. I like to hide it because I really don't use it. And again, you have plenty of padding. Again, on the back, if you zip this out, you have more space. Okay, like I said, apocalypse. I mean, there is so many pockets on this thing. In the back, you have the stiffener. So if you wanted to take it out to clean it, you could. All right, that's what this is. That's what this thing is right here. You pull it out, you clean it, you get all the sand that you need to. Okay, very cool. More space. This would be something like for a laptop case or something like that. You have the stiff back and you can put something in there. You throw a nice big laptop in there if you need it. You zip it up. It's closest to your back and it's not rattling around inside. All right. So now, you see all the pockets on the outside? Let's get on the inside. Alright, on the inside, you can completely zip this open 100%. Alright, so I have some of my gear in there, some extra magazines if I need it, multi-tool, my flat pack, glasses, extra pair of socks, because you never know when you're going to need an extra pair of socks. All that cool stuff, right? Cool guy stuff. Alright, so what do we have in here? More pockets. So I have a pocket here, some batteries, I got another bandana if I need it. But what's cool about this is if I wanted to get it from the underside, I could do that as well. So this is like a see-through or a pass-through pocket. Alright, so that's there. I got another pocket. Another large mesh pocket. Another pocket. Another pocket inside here. Okay. On the inside, this is very spacious and very roomy. You can see where there are drainage holes, and at the bottom of this pack is a little bit of rubber or hard plastic, so it'll keep a little bit of the water out. If this thing gets put down in a puddle or something like that, you want all that water running out. On the inside of the pack, this is your water bladder area or anything like a radio, something like that, and you can cinch it. On the inside, it is lined. All right, this is lined. Like I said, there is lining all the way around this pack to keep that water out. And on the back panel, which you don't see a lot on other packs, is again, you could put moto patches on here and stuff like that. So it's a little bit of Velcro back there. Again, if you wanted to add more pouches to it because you don't have enough pockets, you can do that. Okay, so really cool. Let me set this thing back up and I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, guys, so would I buy this pack? Yeah, hell yeah, I would. I would probably buy a different color as well. For the price that you're getting, if you are a person that likes Pocketzilla, this is Pocketzilla. It has everything you need. And again, I know it's kind of big and it might be a little bit heavy, but if you're looking for something like that, you really can't beat it for the price. 70 bucks. And you have everything you need inside that pack. Again, I got it in black. You can get it in, there's 7 different colors. The laser cutting is excellent. The pockets are excellent. And it definitely suits my needs. Okay, it is now winter time, so I actually throw a couple layers of clothes. I'll have my lunch in there, that kind of thing. And if I wanted to, I could use it as a complete loadout if I needed to. So really cool pack. All right, guys, so I'll put all the specs and the links down below. If you're interested, go over to LA Police Gear. They'll help you out over there. I want to thank LA Police Gear for sending me this pack for testing, and definitely gets my seal of approval. Also, guys, if you're interested, please go to threeriverblades.com. Check out the knives that I have up there. Also, Three River Kydex. I'm going to put the links down below for this pack. I highly recommend it. Get it into the color flavor that you like. As always, guys, thank you very much and stay safe.